Alright, we gotta slowly walk in here. Hang on. How's the hair looking? How's the hair? Is it good? Okay. Good. Now we gotta just sort of dramatically mess up the already perfectly focused camera. If we can get some fake tears over here, please. Just like the little eye drop thing. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Alright. This is gonna get a lot of views. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna get a lot of views. Alright, yeah, just don't make me laugh. Straight face. Guys, this has been the hardest time of my life, okay? I'm sorry. I just get very emotional. It's like the worst thing anybody could have ever done. Alright, let's put on manual focus now and just kind of zoom in. Pan it like on my face, yeah, oh, like that. Kinda, yeah. Alright, game face. I am very sorry. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry for stealing that French fry. I don't know what I was thinking. It was just supposed to be a prank. It was supposed to be just another video, and it quickly escalated to me actually stealing somebody's food, and I know that's never acceptable, and I'm very, very sorry. No, I guess I'm on my ear. I'm very sorry for everything that I've done. This has been the hardest couple of weeks of my life. I can't even drive by McDonald's without having people holding up posters saying we want justice, give the fry back. And I mean, what choice do I have? I have to tell them that it's gone. The fry's already been digested. So it's just, I don't like talking about this, but alright, zoom out. Was that good? But I'm gonna pay it back to everybody that was affected by this impulsive decision. I will be donating $1 million to food theft prevention, and you should too. $1 million goes a long way. Hopefully it's the first and last time this has ever happened to anybody in the world, on the internet, anywhere. Hopefully this, yeah, I mean, I actually, like, not gonna lie, I think this is kind of an accomplishment for me. Like, I know I don't want this to be about me, but like, people are saying that I just wanted, like, to be popular and to get views, but like, I know that no matter what I do, I'm not gonna get the views. So it wasn't for that. It was more of just, like I said, an impulsive decision. And can we get more teardrops? I feel like I'm drying up. I'm drying up so bad. We might need to, like, retake some of this. Okay. Stop. Okay. Should we blur out and, like, blur back in for, like, dramatic effect? I don't know. Let's try it. So I just want to make this video and just sit down and apologize deeply to everybody that has, like I said, has been affected by my horrible decision. This was like a very big lapse in my judgment, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I am officially never going to McDonald's again. I've actually been banned from going to McDonald's because, obviously, like, rightfully so, food theft has always been banned from McDonald's. You cannot take somebody's fry, even if they say they were sharing. You need to buy your own food. That's just how life works. No, you're not really supposed to share, because it could affect McDonald's stocks forever. Like, McDonald's could crash, and I don't want to be a part of that, even though that would actually be pretty impressive if one guy was able to crash McDonald's. But anyway, we can't put that in. We cannot put that in the video. No way. Alright, we gotta wrap this up real quick. I'm running out of footage time. But I don't know what else to say. Thank you guys for the support and so many positive tweets and everything. It's really encouraged me in this time of trouble. So thank you guys. That's all. Now we gotta pretend they were like turn off the camera, you know. All right. Let's go to like a party or something, dude. That wore me out.